Gentlemen, ladies, and anyone in between, I welcome you all, and today is giveaway day. Today's the day that I give away, along with J&H Tackle, of course, the Shimano SLX $99 low-profile bait casting reel. It's their newest in the lineup, and it looks to be a pretty promising reel. It doesn't have all the fancy bells and whistles like some of the other reels in the price range have, but it's solid, it's smooth, and it looks to be kind of similar to the older Corrados in how it's kind of constructed and all that kind of good stuff. You know, it's very smooth, very nice reel. I did get a chance to take it out just to give it a whirl, just to see if all the mods that I did to it were effective and if I didn't cause any issues. So this reel is fully super tuned. It has Carbon Tex carbon fiber drag washers. It has ball bearing upgraded handle knobs. It has polished spool shafts, polished gear teeth, polished drag surfaces, and it's going to be going out to... I already forgot his name. Tight Lines WI. I assume that stands for Wisconsin, and I have to admit, I checked out his Instagram profile. It's pretty funny. If you get a chance, it's Tight Lines WI. Check out his Instagram. There's a trend that you'll notice throughout all of his pictures. But congratulations. I appreciate all you guys for signing up. This is the first time I've ever done an Instagram giveaway, and I can definitely see why they want you to tag people in the giveaway announcement video, because it's kind of tough to choose a winner when you're trying to go through two accounts, because there's no software program. You can do a random number generator and it'll pick something, and then you go pick that winner, and then you have to make sure that they're on the other account, and you have to scroll through 16,000 of J&H Tackle's followers versus my piddly little 1,500. So that took an hour and a half. Thank you very much. So it's with that being said, guys, thank you all for joining, and enjoy this, whatever you want to call it. I had a little fun with the effect generator because I can, and they're my toys, and I'm taking them with me, and I'm going to make sure you have to sit through it. So tight lines, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I look forward to doing many, many more. And make sure, if you're not already signed up for the Daiwa Theory Giveaway, that is a very nice reel. It's a no-joke reel. It is, regardless of what the Japanese yen versus US dollar is, it's still a $200 to $300 fishing reel. It is every bit of a Daiwa Ballistic LT, and it's actually a better reel. And for you guys out there that aren't familiar with the Ballistics, they're spectacular. They're great reels. They're very lightweight. Think of them as a more simplistic Stratix CI4 Plus, but a little beefed up, and it comes in a little bit larger of a size, in around 12 ounces. And it really is a nice reel. I've used some of the Ballistics. I've had great experiences with them, and I hope you guys get into that giveaway. And I'll put the links down below if you're not already signed up on how to get into that. And until next time, guys, tight lines, and I'll see you soon.